Maria makihanikite na niete Minista wa UGITIRI wa THIINI no Profesa KITHURE Kindiki kamite ya bunge na nigucokia ciuria iguru ria thayu orodomwe na ugitiri wa muingi kana guku bururi-ini. Mbere ya kamite no Minista wa UGITIRI kana Minista uyu ti Kindiki ni agititirithetie ati gutikiri o wothe kana mwithari ngui o wothe wa mwaka wa 2020 kana 2007 kana ugitigitwo HEMAINI. Ningi ni akigite ati thirikari ni kirekereirie kigina make kana matina meri na nikire gikoretwo gikomete thibũ-inĩ cia thirikari na nikiria gikoragwo kiri gia guthaitira muingi.
National project of building a nation, and the member asked, what measures have we taken as the country security managers to make sure that this ugly past of what happened in 2007-2008 does not recur? And I want to respond by pledging to the member and also to the committee that what happened in 2007-2008 should never and cannot be allowed to recur again. If Kenya did not learn from 2007, then it shall never learn. So what we are doing at the moment is to first of all acknowledge that what happened during that year is a result of two things. One is the culture of impunity, and two is the culture which we are gradually building in this country, generally across various parts of the country, generally across political formations, and that is the culture of violent resolution of grievances. The resolution of grievances, whether political grievances, economic grievances, of unemployment, political grievances, or whatever differences. And so the measures we have taken in this administration is to implement the directives that the President has given us to depoliticize the machinery of the country that handles security and remove it from politics of whatever type, including politics of the ruling party.